Folks, welcome back. Today I'm working on trying to get rid of some old concrete steps and supports that I've had laying in the backyard since about 2012. Of course, with the use of this old Bosch Brute Turbo to help break it up. But I'm gonna tell you, it's nothing like on the cartoons. This is rough work. Of course, you always need your safety equipment as well. Got some safety glasses, some gloves, and of course hearing protection. Hold tight and you'll see it in action. Safety toes would be good too. That almost hurt.